What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie Richbo back at it again with another video. What it do? What it do to everybody? Let me turn the lights on. It's like so dark in here. God damn it. Anyways, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Richie Richmo. Like and subscribe, because a lot of you guys ain't subscribed. I get a lot of people that come on my YouTube channel and haven't subscribed. And I know a lot of you guys might be like old school, don't know how to work the system. Please find a way to make an account and subscribe down below. Also, make sure you guys go pick up Immortal Society. Man, we got so much t-shirts, so many merchandise, like I said in the previous video. But right now, Zon Mod is finally here. He's been waiting 4+ weeks, or 4 weeks exact, or almost about to be 5 weeks. He just got his new surprise. This is the biggest purchase he ever did for his car. And this is like his first mod. Second. Because the carbon overlays and shit.
Oh yeah, the door handle.
Well, this is his first big purchase for his car. We're gonna show you the wing real quick. Let's go show him the ring real quick before we move the car.
Oh, yeah.
So let's go upstairs and let's see this guy.
Hello.
This complaining and complaining and complaining and complaining and complaining.
Just because the website didn't let me know that my shit shipped out. But it's all good though. I appreciate Vivid Racing for getting me my thing.
Anyways, so for this particular part, we're about to show him how much did you spend?
Damn. $2,000.
Well, anyway, so he spent how much?
$2,000. It's like $1,800.
Well, we're gonna round that bitch off $2,000.
Yeah,
well,
$2,000.
$1,800, $2,000, whatever. Fuck.
No, the shipping made it like $2,000.
God damn. Damn. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Check out this. My little brother got carbon, real motherfucking fiber, APR. Damn, that's hard. Welcome to the carbon game. Yeah, we don't do that. We don't do them, we do the carbon shit. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna get a spoiler,
right, if we'll go bigger, go home. That's how I feel.
That's how I feel too. But god damn.
You got like y'all got nice cars, y'all know. You don't want to buy no cheap shit. So
Facts.
you buy an ABS plastic.
Because when you go to like car shows, when you go to car shows though, it's just something about when you see real car enthusiasts, when they see carbon fiber, they go crazy. Like I go crazy.
Like girls with diamonds or rappers. Like,
yeah, exactly.
Diamonds, car people, we like carbon fiber.
And I'm gonna tell you this: buying carbon anything is expensive. So it's like when you actually work hella hard or however you got your money, it's like for me when I said in my video, I said my shit was a trophy. You know what I'm saying? Because that was the most expensive part I bought for my any car. The first thing I did.
It's my trophy right now.
But yeah, this is big. Woo, I want one. I can't get one. I gotta get one for my Deggy, you know that shit. But anyways, we're gonna bring this downstairs. About to go in the garage. We're gonna try to get this done because this is real simple, self-explanatory. But yeah, this is wing. It's time for us to install this and see how it goes. It's gonna transform this car big time.
I haven't even seen like the front. I mean, it's the same shit, but this is just I only seen the back. It only ripped open the back.
Well, we're gonna record it, but move the cars and shit.
Okay. All
right. So installing the wing for my brother, we're gonna be installing his APR wing on his 370Z. It's very self-explanatory. I've seen hella videos, and it's not that hard, honestly. It's just getting a nice measurement. That's what we did to my Z over there when I installed that one with the flash. So what we're gonna do is have to line everything up. So it was raining out here today, so we just dry this all off. So all we have to do is basically we measure. I got the measuring tape and everything. We're gonna measure exactly, get in the proper center, and then you guys will see as I go. So we got all the supplies, everything we need. We got all the tools in the APR. Now we just gotta take off this, and once we get this part done, we are ready. Let's go. Lucy. So now we just gotta lift these up. Okay, now we gotta get a socket, take those out, and then we're good. Let's see, our shit is mixed up thanks to my mom. Let's see. I don't know if this is the right. Let's see if it's the right size. Right now, when you want to install your APR wing, 370Z owners, even, well, I forgot how this looks on the back of mine. It's 350, my shit already missing. Anyways, for 370Zs, you want to make sure you get in here. It's real easy. It's like all you just need is a flathead. Just lift that up. That's just how it is factory. So you want to get 10 millimeter. And right now, we're going to do this because taking this one off is going to allow us to actually take the whole panel off. It's easy. It's just a clip. It's just clips are very easy. It doesn't break. This is how they do when they got to refix certain things for maintenance at Nissan dealers or whatever you go. But like I said, you're going to use a flathead all around. It's clamps, clamps, clamps. And then after you do that, before you take the whole thing off, 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter there, and that's it. All comes down very easy. And all you got to do is just pop the things back in and then put these 10 millimeters in. So after we can do this part, I gotta take this out, then we'll go to the next. Hey y'all, so right now what I'm about to do is, this is the main important piece. This is the bracket. Well, it's not the bracket, it's the bracket basically. So you see right here, we have two holes. We got two holes right there. Basically this one right here will be on that hole. It will cover that hole. If you can see, you can't really see and then right here, all these little holes are adjustables. So as you can see, let me see if I can do it with two hands. See there's space right here, so we can get it in. So you can adjust it like however you want it. So if we want to get low or if we want to go high, it's like that. So real self-explanatory. Then we're gonna put tape on the car and then do a measurement and find out exactly where we're gonna have to drill the hole. So other than that, we should be good. So right now I'm gonna pre-assemble them. Just put the brackets on the wing. After we do that, then I know a little trick we can do. We could put like a little lotion on here inside the thing, like how Randy did. And then we have the tape on the car, and then and then it's gonna put the hose, and then we'll know where to drill. And then we go from there. So everything comes in a pack. Everything is in here. Then we use these. This is the part that we're gonna use. It comes with two pieces. Each piece is what we need to install on the leg part that's going to be connected to the bumper, and then we go under the car and bolt it back. All right, so now I'm about to put the bolts on and everything. So you come on this side, on, so they can see. You say you want it higher, right?
The highest.
So first thing first, I'm going to adjust to the highest. So the all right, so now, all right, so I'm going to put on the highest. I'll put this little screw there. Bam. And then we need oh, we got them right here. And this is what we need. We use this piece. And then we screw it in here. I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. And use another piece. And this is the main part right there. Boom. And then if you need your APR wings installed, holla at me. Shit, I did my own rear diffuser.
Man.
Alright, so now then we're gonna do this side. You guys gonna see from that side. So this one always on the far.
Let me
This
come
is all,
around.
no, because I gotta do it from the inside. So just gonna do that. So I'm just gonna do like a pretty symbol. That's good. Let me see again. All right, so then for now, I just gotta use this. This is the same. Okay, so this is the same exact shit I did with my Tegra. I don't know which one it is. I think it's one of these. Make it easier. Yep. I might have to.
Want me to hold it or?
I might have to use one. Glove. This is what I have to do with my tape. Everything is measured perfectly. And in the center is the direct, exact line where we're going to put the part for the wing on. So before we go any further, now we're going to get the dots on here so we can know where we're going to be drilling at. Easy way, get some lotion, not to jack off.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Put
Yeah,
lotion on the
lotion.
dots,
Yep.
and then
Exactly. Da 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 da. So that's what that's gonna be the way to make it easier. Lift your wing up real quick. I'm gonna put this so we can. Now flip it upside down. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is gonna put lotion in these holes, and then I'm gonna hold it and make sure I don't tap it. I'm gonna have it lined exactly how I had it at first, because I know the middle line, like I told you guys, is where the mount is gonna be, what the wing is gonna go in. And then I'm gonna have my brother tap each side. When we lift it up, I'm gonna lift it up nicely. Then it's gonna have 3 dots exactly where we need to drill. So we're gonna do that part right now. So we're gonna put the lotion in and get going from there. You guys will catch it on after. Everything worked out. So instead of using the lotion, it wasn't thick enough, so we used toothpaste. Got the perfect lineup. And now what we have to do is, I did the small holes. So now I gotta make the holes bigger where these can go in. And then I'm gonna put these on the wing. And then from there, we once I put these screws onto the wing and just it in there, once those are in, then we put it in and we use the lug nuts to lock it from the inside. So let me make these holes bigger and let's go do this real quick. But I added 3M for each side for extra security. Then it only comes with 4, even though it's 3. But 3 on each side, which is 6. So instruction says there's only 4. So what I did was, I thought of a brilliant idea. I had brought some extra screws for my 350Z when I was doing my wing. And where the hell I just put them? So come to find out, I have 2 extra ones, 2 long ass ones, and it works to get in there. So we'd be good. And we didn't need it, but I just rather have extra security than nothing. So we got 2 extra securities on top of it. So let me get this going and we are done. Let's go. How you like the wing?
that shit is hard, bro.
And I did my thing, huh? First time doing that shit. Oh, man.
First time, and he did it perfectly.
Sheesh. Check that shit out, man. The little bro got his shit fixed, man. Oh, you can come right there, too. I'm gonna put this in your car because your car is warmer. Zon car is complete. I'm so proud of him. He worked hella hard and he got his modification, the carbon fiber. Right now it's dark. You guys can't really see. It's like 11 in the night, but damn, it looks so good. Just recording it, driving. He worked hard for it with his first job, like first legit job, and he bought his part. And now there's more shit to come because now he coming to my job. So I'm hella happy for him. He got it and it's looking good.